Hi everyone, my name is Julia, I am Marketing Manager at Advanced Community. Today we will show you the user and admin experience of using the Coworking community. Let's start from the user experience. Carlos Brock is renting space in the Coworking company. Now we will see what functionalities are available for Carlos on the site. Carlos goes to the events page where he can see a map with marked events on it. He can also view upcoming events he attended, past events, and the calendar with marked events. To register for the free event, Carlos just clicks on the register button and it's done. To register for the paid event, he needs to choose the package and fill in the required data. It is also possible to use vouchers for a discount. Registration completed successfully. Carlos can use the filters component to search events by location, type, name, or date. Carlos can create an event on the community even by himself. He just needs to fill in the appropriate form with all of the details. Now Carlos goes to the meeting rooms page as he wants to book a quiet room to make a few calls. He picks the date and room and books it for the relevant hours. On the members page, Carlos can find people who work in the same city for collaboration. He uses filters to sort members by location. Then Carlos goes to the members profile where he can write and send a message. On the Partners page, Carlos can see the profiles of companies who rent space in the Coworking. Using filters, he can sort companies by country, level, or industry. On the company's profile, Carlos can see contact information, rating, and reviews. Carlos can contact the company by filling in the appropriate form. He can also leave a review about the company. On the news page, Carlos can see the articles with the latest updates. If Carlos has a problem regarding devices, payments, Wi-Fi connection, he can check the support page. The articles collected here describe the solutions to the common issues. If Carlos still finds no answer, he can create a case and describe the problem. He can attach the file with additional photos to better describe the issue. To pay for membership, Carlos goes to the payments page. Here he needs to fill in the personal information and card details. Ideas page allows Carlos to suggest ideas for services improvement in the Coworking company. He can describe his idea, assign a category, and attach files. Other users can comment, subscribe, flag, and vote for Carlos' ideas. Jobs page shows vacancies. Carlos can use filters to sort vacancies by industry, experience, type, and search vacancies by name or location. If he is interested in an offer, he can apply for the position. On the application form, he needs to fill in his personal information and attach his CV. On the Groups page, Carlos will see the list of groups where people discuss different topics. Here he can add posts, create polls, and ask questions to communicate with other members. Now let's move to the admin experience. Let's start from the events page. Timothy is a system administrator in the Coworking company. That's how he sees the events page on the community. He can see a map with marked events on it, create events, filter them, and view an events calendar. Also, he can edit and delete events right from the community. Internally, Timothy can see the different dashboards with statistical data about registrations, payments, tickets, and other indicators. He can view data for the next 7 days, last 30 days, or for all time. On the EC Events tab, Timothy can see the full list of events, create, edit, and delete events. The Event Packages tab allows him to create different pricing packages for events. On the Event Participation tab, Timothy can see all registrations. The administrator can create new zones and manage zone settings on the Event Zones tab. On the Meeting Rooms page on the community, Timothy can view booked and available time for each space. Internally, he can see the full list of resources, edit them, and create new ones. To add an image to the resource, Timothy goes to the Related tab, clicks on the Upload Files button, and selects the image. On the Resource Reservation tab, he can view all reservations. On the Members page in the community, Timothy can view users' profile and filter them. Internally, on the User Directory Settings tab, he can select the field sets for user information and for filters. Also, he can select profiles of users to be shown on the community. On the Partners page on the community, Timothy can view partners' accounts and filter them. Internally, he can create accounts for partners who rent in space in the Coworking or provide services. Timothy can also create the account brands, view leads, and add partner apps. On the News page on the community, Timothy will see articles with news and updates. Internally, he can create, edit, and delete articles. It is possible to save new articles in draft or publish them on the community. Timothy can create new categories and tags to separate articles by topic so users can quickly find what they need. It is possible to allow adding articles from the community, set up moderation and other options on the blog settings tab. Cases page uses standard Salesforce Cases object to allow users to report their issues to the support team. Support page displays the knowledge base where users can find the answers to their questions independently. Timothy can add articles to the knowledge base to help users easily find the answers to the frequently asked questions. He can create categories to make it easier to find articles. The Payments page allows users to pay for membership in the coworking company right from the community. Timothy can add different types of payments on the org. On the Ideas page, Timothy can see the ideas suggested by users to improve the services. Internally, he can view the dashboards with statistical data about new ideas, votes, comments, statuses, and categories. On the Ideas Settings page, there are a lot of settings regarding zones, statuses, moderation, comments, votes, and other items. Timothy can create different statuses to display the life cycle of ideas, for example, from new to approved. The Jobs page displays different vacancies that users can apply to. As administrator, Timothy can add new vacancies from the community as well as from the org. Internally, he can view vacancies and applications with candidates' contact information, covering letter, and CV. Groups page uses standard Salesforce functionalities so people who are renting space in coworking can communicate. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.